Hi, Michele here. I'm here to talk about the zombie notes. This is for the BCLS, Basic Cardiac Life Support. Sometimes I call it the CPR study guide. So it's very important when you're coming to the CPR course to memorize this sheet. It is a two-sided sheet. I've been teaching CPR for many, many years, and I found that when people come prepared by reading and memorizing, actually the class becomes almost easy. It's easy for me to teach. It's easier for you to become successful. Easier. I like that word, easy. So we don't want CPR to be difficult. The exam that they give us to pass CPR is not the easiest test. So in the study guide, I've included little tidbits on getting through the test. So there's like answers to the CPR test right in the study guide. So it really is very beneficial to reading this over and over again, studying it. It helps us through the skills as well. And you know that our BCLS program is for health professionals. So that includes infant CPR skills, how to care for a child who requires CPR, and of course for the adult. Now, not only is it for cardiac arrest patients, it also talks about the choking victim, and for all age groups, how to relieve the obstruction in a choking victim. It talks about the automatic external defibrillator, the AED. It talks about the directions that the AED will give you once you turn it on. And of course, there are a lot of questions on the test about the AED. So it talks about the AED, it talks about choking, CPR, it talks about 1 and 2 rescuer CPR, and there are a lot of fine points about that also, especially for us health care professionals. You know, did you know that we're the only ones who learn 2 rescuer CPR? So if the librarian takes CPR, he or she does not learn 2 rescuer, they just learn the 30 to 2 for all age groups. However, you'll notice on this study guide, it talks about us healthcare professionals and 2 rescue CPR. Yes, on the adult, it's going to be 30 to 2, or in the hospital situation, sometimes we recommend continuous CPR once a victim, you know, is intubated. But if we're caring for infants and children, and there's 2 of us, we'll remember for the test that it's 15 compressions to 2 breaths. So that's the type of thing that's on the study guide. Tidbits to help us in the real situation, and tidbits to help us get 100 on the exam. So that's the BCLS zombie notes. So again, if you're registered for the program, you'll have the password to download the study guide. If you're not able to register for one of my programs, you can get the study guide from Amazon.com. If any of you have any questions about the content on the study guides, questions about the programs, you know that you can contact me anytime. Some of you already have my phone number, or any of you can contact me from the website, which is michelekunz.com. That's Michele with 1 L. Thank you. And thank you for your time.